Geeta Mohan continues to be with us. Geeta, as we can see, the world leaders are not only watching, reacting as well because it's a serious incident. Where do you think it will be taken on here on, now that the election season also is currently heading to that final zone? What do you think how Biden administration will take this ahead?
Well, for the Biden administration, they are really in a bad spot over here because firstly, there is going to be a lot of questions with regards to the Secret Service itself and how could such a huge security lapse occur at a time when a former U.S. president was holding a rally. So they will have to respond. There is investigation that's ongoing, but also a lot of questions on protocol when it comes to security for the former president. Having said that, when it comes to the larger picture, former President Trump is now in Milwaukee. The Republican National Convention will be held where he will be announced as the clear Republican nominee, but also he will also be announcing the vice presidential nominee for the Republican Party, and that is going to be significant. This comes at the back of this attack. We are seeing a massive consolidation and a comparison now between him and President Biden, wherein a lot of them questioning what would President Biden have done should this have been him. So there are a lot of questions. This looks really bad for the Democratic Party, one, because they're in power and there has been a security lapse, and secondly, questioning whether if President Biden has it in him to really take on President Trump. So massive political consolidation for President Trump at the back of this attack, particularly when it comes at a time when the Republican National Convention is going to be held.
Correct.
And we will see the DNC later in the month.
All right.
Or next month.
Yes.